blocking your payment from bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can block the payment from your bank account. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to call your bank account or call the company that you are taking where your permission for the company to take automatic payment from your bank account. So you just need to call the company, and you have to let them know that you need to stop these automatic payments that you are taking. So for that, you can also call the company, and you can also contact your bank as well. So for that, you have to be at your bank, and you need to go to the can contact us, and in the contact us, you can easily able to find the information that you can use to contact them. You might be able to find the email or the phone number. So you just need to type them an email, or you need to call them that this company is keep on charging the amount of money from my bank account, and I want to block them. So they will help you block them from your bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can block payment from bank account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.